a wonderful world.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jisha. So I came back again with a new video. So on today's video I will going to do a challenge. So yes, I forgot to say Happy New Year guys to everyone. Happy New Year. I pray to God that everything become okay and सब कुछ अच्छा जाए. I pray to God this only and everyone, भगवान को चाहती हूँ कि everyone to stay safe and stay healthy. So these are the things and
I can grow more in YouTube. These are the things I pray to God.
And mainly the thing I will want to pray to God is everyone to stay safe and stay healthy and these things. So there are many more things. So as I said, today I will want to make a challenge on YouTube. Sorry for everything. I want to do a challenge. मैंने एक बार Instagram stories में डाला था ये suggest me some videos about what I should do in YouTube. Any kind of video, challenges भी हो सकता है, food challenge भी हो सकता है, any kind of video, makeup भी हो सकता है. So मैंने सोचा आज के लिए मैं ये मेकअप चैलेंज ही करूँ. दिस इज 3-minute मेकअप चैलेंज. आई हैव टू कंप्लीट माई मेकअप इन 3 minutes. I don't know how I will complete my makeup in 3 minutes, but I will try my best to complete my makeup. And maybe I could not use this much makeup today, but I will try my best to how much I can cover up and how much. And this is a good challenge also. I can show you a makeup. Many friends ask me कि जीशा give me some कुछ मेकअप वीडियोस डालो जो बहुत जल्दी कर सके, क्योंकि जल्दी निकलना होता है. थोड़ा इजी सा कुछ जैसे डेली लुक के लिए एप्लीकेबल हो या इजी हो डेली वेयर के लिए. सो फॉर देम दिस इज अ वेरी गुड वीडियो. एंड या क्या बोलूँ, हाँ मैं from nowadays I will going to speak in Hindi also. I will try my best to speak in Hindi. I know I'm not that good in Hindi, but I will try my best to speak in Hindi and English, both of them. But in vlogging I will going to speak in Bengali. And when I make vlog I feel more comfortable by speaking Bengali. So yeah, and for this kind of videos I will going to make it in English or Hindi. In mix of these two languages I will going to speak in these two languages. So without wasting your time, video start करते हैं. और if you are new in my channel then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the छोटू सा bell icon near the subscribe button and notify तो रहना है आप लोगों को. So you should press that button. And I couldn't make video for these days. मैंने सोचा था year end में एक वीडियो बनाऊँ, 1-2 वीडियो छोड़ूँ, क्यों नहीं हो पाया because my health was so bad. Cough and cold, due to cough and cold फीवर आ गया था थोड़ा. सो दैट्स द रीज़न. बट फ्रॉम नाउ आई विल बी गोइंग टू मोर अपडेटेड एंड आई विल ट्राई टू पोस्ट 2 to 3 videos in a week. I'm sure about that. I have to do that by anyhow I have to do that. So without wasting your time, let's get in the video and let's start the challenge. So guys, मैंने थोड़ा लिपस्टिक्स लगाया था और काजल लगाया था. सो मैं रिमूव करके आ गई क्योंकि I want to show you the pure makeup look. I don't want to cheat in this challenge. So let me set the timer. तो मुझे इतना सारा चैलेंज मिला और भी है, इतना सारा चैलेंज मिला. सो आई चोजन फ्रॉम देन दिस चैलेंज ओनली एट फर्स्ट बिकॉज बहुत सारा फूड चैलेंज है वो मुझे बाहर जाकर करना पड़ेगा या बाहर से खाना खरीद के लाना पड़ेगा. So I couldn't do that thing. So I have to do something which is related to home only or which I can do at my home only. So I chosen this topic. So the timer for 3 minutes. See, I set the timer for 3 minutes. Only no cheating, nothing I'm doing. So let's pray to God that I can cover this challenge very good. I covered this challenge very nicely. So I'm pressing the start button. Ready, steady. Okay, the time is start. So at first only I will going to use this Swiss Beauty primer a little bit. I will going to apply all over my face. Now I will going to apply concealer a bit to make 36. I am going to add this timer in my in the side of the empty space. मैं ये empty space में timer का time डाल दूंगी क्योंकि for your assurance या sound आप लोगों को मिलेगा जब भी 3 minutes complete होगा. So I'm going to apply this concealer a little bit, then I'm going to blend it. I feel like I'm fighting with myself. Okay, my concealer part is done. Now I will going to take this compact and apply all over my face. And now what I will do? Kajal. Now I'm going to apply this Nykaa Kajal. God, I don't have that much of time. 1 minute only left. So applied this kajal, then a bit of mascara. Then I will take this blush. Give it 29 seconds. Three seconds. Blush को eyeshadow की तरह से ना lipstick. Time up. I'm done. So 3 minutes में I done this kind of makeup. I don't know is it okay or not, but it's a very simple makeup I guess. मैंने eyebrow भी set नहीं किया. I have just used a concealer a bit. देखा ही होगा आप लोगों ने. A primer a bit, a powder a bit. मतलब in a very little quantity I used these products. Kajal, used a kajal, mascara, then blush को ही मैंने ऐसा घिसा मेरा आई से मेरा आँख में कुछ घुस गया है. So whatever, मैंने blush ही I used blush on my eyes. मतलब कुछ भी करके I just completed and I came out with this. But it's nice. It's looking very natural and it's looking nice. I like it. And I used to do this kind of makeup only for daily use. I used to do like this kind of a very light makeup. I do not use that much of eyeliner also on that time. So I guess I like this makeup look. Very simple and very subtle. And this is the outcome. So जिसने भी दिया था ये challenge हो गया मेरा challenge complete. So if you like this kind of challenge video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I will going to come with more this kind of challenge video. Just suggest me which kind of challenge do you want, and yeah, these are the things. So happy new year once again. Stay safe, stay healthy on this year, and Yeah, without wasting your time, bye guys. Meet you to the next video very soon. I will going to meet with you all with the new video. So bye guys.